Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit Architecture 2024 for beginners. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to insert and place doors in your floor plan. So you can see this is simple floor plan and there is no doors in this plan. So we will learn how to place doors in a Revit floor plan. So I am going to my architecture tab and you can see this is door command here in ribbon panel, and you can type shortcut command DR. So I'm going to select this door, and in properties you can see this is single flush and the dimension is given 36 inch into 84 inches. And if you click this arrow here, you can see some limited numbers of doors sizes here, and there is only single flush. So you can select any of the size, and you can also insert doors from door family. So I will teach you how to do that, and also you can bring doors model from external sources. So first I'm going to select this one, single flush, and the size is given here. And if you look at the property, this constant, its seal height 0 feet 0 inches, and construction is frame type, and material and finishes also you can select this frame material, and finish also you can see here, and so on, some more information. And you can see this head height is 7 feet. So suppose I am going to select this 36 into 84 inches, and I am bringing the mouse into viewport. You can see this viewport is in a cross mode. You can see this symbol here, but when you will bring your mouse to a wall, this door will get in place. So you can place at any wall as per your floor plan and requirement. So suppose I am going to place a door here, and you can see you can place anywhere. You can see the blue dimensions which are showing, these are known as temporary dimensions. So this is an you can see say this is as a reference dimensions. So I am going to place a door here, and you can see we have successfully placed the door. And you can see this blue arrow here. You will select this here. You can see this is for flipping your door, so you can flip in other directions, so it will get flipped. Again you will select this arrow, this will flip to opposite directions. And if you will press a space after selecting door, you can press a space on your keyboard, this door direction will be changed. So you can press till it gets to your desired direction. So this is the direction. So again you can select door, and you can start placing here. So I am going to press space, and I am going to press one door here. So generally this door is 36 inches by 84 inches. This is the standard for your bedroom, and for toilet it should be 2 feet 6 inches. So you can change the door here. So I am going to place a 30 inches by 84 inches. So you can select this one, and again I am going to bring my door here, and I am going to select this one, and I will place a door here, and I will place a space and place a door here. So these are very limited doors in properties here. So you are required to insert door families. So I am going to my door, and then you can see here load family option here. So I am going to load family. I will click this option, and you can go to your libraries, English Imperial, and can go to US, and you can select this category here, doors. So I am going to select this door category, and you can see here there are many door types here. So you can select residential if you are using residential floor plan, and you can select any of the door for different types. You can see different doors for exterior doors, interior double doors. You can select any of the doors as per a requirement. So I'm going to suppose I'm going to select this door interior single 4 panel. So I'm going to you can see this file name and files type, family files, and this is .rfa file. So I'm going to click open, and after this you can see a specified types. So you can see different door sizes here, 12 inch into 80 inch, and width is given 1 feet, 1 feet 2 inches, 2 feet. So you can define. So suppose I am going to select this one, 36 inches by 84 inches. You can press here with your left mouse and you can select all of these, but I am going to select this one, and you can see this is width is 3 feet and height is 7 feet and steels is 4 by 3 by 4 inches. So I am going to click OK, and now you can see here it is placed in our properties. So now you can bring your cursor and can place door. Suppose I am going to place a door here. So this is 36 inches by 84 inch, and this is from our door family. Same thing you can repeat for again this process. You can repeat. You can go to load family, and if you want another door, so can select this one, single one panel wood RFA, and you can click open, and you can select any size. Suppose I am going to select again this 36 inch by 84 inches. I am going to click OK, and now I will place another door here. You can see this is a single panel, and I am going to place a door here. So likewise you can place doors in other toilet areas also. So you can place like this. You can insert from family and you can start placing doors. So this is a general process. So suppose I want a double door here, so you can again go to your door category and load family, and you can select any door, double full glass wood, click open, and you can select any size. So I am going to select this one, 72 inches by 96 inches, so 6 feet by 8 feet. You can click OK, and you can place a double door here. So this is for your entry. So likewise you can place door. So now next thing is how to change the properties here. So you can select any of the doors. Suppose I am going to select this door, and now I am going to edit type, and you can see this is the type properties here. And if you want to change these properties, you can always duplicate this door and you can rename this, and I'm going to click OK. And now you can select function is for interior or exterior. You can select your and wall closer, and you can see here plain material is cherry, frame material is also cherry, and this one is door handle material is aluminum. So you can change material here from material and finishes category. You can select this one, and you can see after clicking there is 3 dots here, 1 2 3. You can click on these 3 dots here, and you can change the material here. You can go to this material library, and you can create and duplicate materials, and I'm going to create a new material, and I'm going to right click here, and I'm going to rename here. So now I'm going to door finish. I'm going to rename this as a door finish, and then I will go to this asset browser, and you can select any door material from here, wood. So I'm going to type wood here, and you can select this finish, and I'm going to select this wax, black or red wood, and I'm going to apply here, OK. And now you can see this material is changed here. Same thing you can do for this also. You can apply another material with the same process, and so on with the trim material. You can also change the door handle material with this process, and you can change the width and dimension. So suppose this is 3 feet, I want this to be 4 feet. So I'm going to press 4 feet, and I want height to be 8 feet. So I'm going to place 8 feet here, and you can reduce this size here, and now I'm going to apply OK. And you can see this size is changed here. This is 4 feet by 8 feet, you can see here. And you can likewise you can change this door sizes here. You can click edit here, and now you can also change the thickness, mullion, steel, top rail, lock rail, and other properties. So this is the basics of how to change the material and dimensions of your door sizes. So you can repeat for other doors also if you want to change the sizes. And you can also bring doors from your external source. So suppose I am going to my Google here, and there is one website, Revit City. You can create your profile and you can search door here. I have already done this. So you can see I have searched door, so you can download any door. So I will tell you, and I'm going to download this frameless glass door here. I'm going to click on download now, and this will be downloaded here. You can see here in download button, this is frameless glass door. So now you can directly drag and drop into your Revit file, or you can go to your architecture door and you can again go to load family, and you can go to PC downloads, and you can select this frameless glass door .rfa, and you can see you can place a glass door. Suppose I'm going to place a glass door here. So this all you can view in your 3D view. You can see here, this is the glass door, and you can create a realistic view here to give you better idea. So you can see this is the glass door we have downloaded from Google, and this is our double door. So you can see your door placement like this. So this is the basics of how to place doors in Revit, and also you can view this in your elevations, your external doors. You can see here. So this is the basics of doors. In the next video tutorial we'll discuss with for windows. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.